Gender selection.
Yes.
Because most people have looked, because with IVF, we are able to do, with additional tests, do gender selection.
Okay.
And most people have looked at it as you're playing God, like we are bypassing natural selection.
Science.
Yes. So that's something that is really, because for example in India, I think gender selection is not allowed. Even doing an ultrasound just to see what child is not allowed. Yes. Another issue with IVF that has a lot of ethical considerations is surrogacy, gestational surrogacy, whereby we have someone else carrying a pregnancy for another, for medical reason most times. And because there's an issue of, is it altruistic or commercial? And so can I just walk in and say, I want to be a surrogate because I want to make money? Or am I walking in to be a surrogate because I want to help someone?
Okay.
So that's something that is a bit of ethical and controversial.
Although, because sorry to interject, I feel like that's something that happened in some sort of way in the African culture.
Yeah.
In a way that it shouldn't be conflicting.
Yeah.
And so I don't know which country you touch on, because I remember there are times in a family or in a homestead, the first wife, second or third, for whatever reason, might not have been able to conceive, so they bring their sister. So that would be a different style of surrogacy, if you want to put it that way. So the contention is the commercial.
Yeah, versus altruistic.
Okay.
Although, and also, because this carrying a pregnancy already puts you in a situation where you're predisposed to complications of pregnancy.
Sure.
So there has to be a balance between are you helping and are you putting yourself at risk?
Okay.
Although in Kenya, commercial surrogacy is actually acceptable.
It's legal.
Yes. Okay. The rules are not yet. Yes, we actually surrogacy is done in this country. Yes. So, but the rules are institutional dependent.
Okay.
Like on the cost and stuff like that.